So it only seems like yesterday I was unboxing the POCO M3 Pro, and POCO have now released the M4 Pro 5G. Xiaomi and POCO release so many phones in a year. So without a doubt, they have a phone for every single person out there, from flagship all the way down to budget. And I think this is going to be around about £200. I can't find it on Amazon.co.uk, I can't find it on eBay. So yeah, I'll include a link to this anyway in the description. You should see the price, probably around the £200 mark. So this is the box, obviously. Let's have a look. Powered by the Dimensity 810 5G. It looks like we've got a case, SIM tray tool, yeah, POCO stickers, silicone case, manuals, standard. And those are some of the main specs. Like I said, 810 Dimensity chip, 33 watt pro fast charging, 90 Hz refresh rate, and a 50 megapixel AI camera. Flip that out, and in here we will find 33 watt fast charger and a USB type C cable. Is anything hiding in here? No. Maybe earphones in the past, but it's good that they're including a charging block. Okay, as soon as I pick it up, it is quite a light device. Let's open it up. Let's have a look. Wow. So we have a plastic back and a sticker here. Let's get rid of this sticker. Don't want to damage the back. Oh no, no. Why peel off like that? Why put stickers on like that? It's pointless. Oh my goodness. What the? Never had this before. That's just not acceptable. Not acceptable at all. It's still there, isn't it? I'm gonna have to give it like an alcohol wipe or something. That's ruined the look of it. Apart from the sticker, I mean, it's a nice matte finish on there. It's not glossy. I don't like the reflective glossiness on some phones at the back, but this is a nice matte finish. And we have a nice camera array, and they do look amazingly nice, don't they? What sort of saying is that? They do look really nice, don't they? Forget that sticker and that pretty sticky residue you can see on there. But it looks a stunning phone. Nice camera housing there. Really nice. Now I have the 6 gig of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So they do 4 gig RAM version as well, which obviously will be a bit cheaper. Plastic frame. Type-C charging, 3.5mm socket and a speaker there. 3.5mm socket. People do love that. Power button and volume rocker. I'm assuming there's a fingerprint sensor in there, maybe. Got to be. So we've got another loudspeaker at the top there. Looks like an IR blaster there as well, and a mic. And at the top here we have a SIM tray. So it comes shipped with MIUI 12.5. This is a 6.6 inch 1080p display with a 5000 mAh battery inside. I'm now going to quickly set this up and I'll be right back. So here's the POCO M4 Pro. IPS LCD panel, 90 Hz, but what I always do with these, I go straight in, display, just to check what it's operating at. By standard it's 60 Hz, but I always go in there, whack up to 90, so we're at 90 Hz now. And then I also type in here, gestures. Haptics aren't bad. Oh. What happened there? Gestures. There we go. Full screen gestures. Don't show again, not now. And there we go. Swipe up and swipe back. That's all enabled now. So it's good. There is a fingerprint sensor on the side, like I mentioned. And that is really rapid. do you know what? It's so refreshing using this, because I've been using the Pixel 6 Pro for weeks. It's actually my daily driver, my personal phone. It's such a relief just having just to tap it like that. Jeez, I really wish the Pixel 6 would have adopted a fingerprint sensor on the side. Love these on the side. So convenient and quick. Superb. Now with POCO phones, honestly, Xiaomi phones, they do have MIUI 12.5. POCO does look slightly different. Got it. In terms of maybe like the different coloured icons. I think there's maybe a little bit more bloatware in POCO as well. You can see there's quite a lot of bloatware there, really. That's what you've got. You've got it into different categories as well there. Look, it splits them up. But that's what you expect with POCO phones. And there's some more apps there as well. Feels like a nice phone. It's feeling pretty nippy and quick. It definitely helps with that rapid fingerprint sensor as well. 5000 milliamp battery, doesn't feel too heavy. I've managed to clean the back up there, look. You shouldn't be able to see any sticky crap now. But it does look absolutely stunning. So if you're looking for a stunning phone, it definitely is that. I'm going to show you the camera performance in a minute with a couple of pictures and videos. But yeah, it's a nice handset and a nice display and a rapid fingerprint sensor. So let's take a look at the cameras. Okay, so camera system, pretty standard. It does come with a 50 megapixel main sensor with an f1.8 aperture. And if we go to more, you have to manually select the 50 megapixel setting if you want to actually shoot at the full 50 megapixels. If you don't, then it'll just be, I think, pixel binning down to 12. So yeah, I took a shot with the 50 megapixel camera and this is the result I got. Nicely saturated, maybe over the top sort of color representation, but in terms of quality, look when I'm punching in there as well, it's very good. I'm very impressed with that. Portrait as well here, it does a very good job at focusing obviously on the subject and blurring the background. I can't really see any abnormalities around the edges either, so it's got great edge detection, good detail, good color representation as well, color accuracy. Obviously when you do zoom in a little bit more, then the quality does reduce somewhat, but it's a budget device. That is standard again, excellent color accuracy, nice amount of detail, really like that. This is the normal sensor on the back then, so it's pixel binning down to 12. Again, I mean, it's good. It's a good result. We have here a normal picture of my camera. Sorry, that's the ultra wide picture. It does have an ultra wide lens in here, sensor, and that is the normal cropped in from the main sensor. Again, quality is looking decent, color accuracy, and here are some videos. Okay, so we're shooting at 1080p 60, and image stabilization seems to be grayed out, so I don't know whether there's any stabilization on this mode. This is 1080p 60 on the POCO M4 Pro. Let's come around here. Autofocus, that's nice. Does look a little bit wobbly. Let me know what you guys think to the video quality on this bad boy. 1080p 60. I've got that to unbox soon as well. Never heard of that brand before, but you'll see that coming soon. 1080p 30 on the M4 Pro, front facing video. Stabilization is turned on, it's not grayed out in the settings, so right near a window now. But I think the video quality looks pretty decent on here. Again, let me know what you guys think. Let's try light at the back. It's exposing my face okay. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Early tests, pretty decent. Okay, so the camera isn't going to win awards, but it is a budget phone, and the camera definitely does its job. I think overall the picture quality was very good, video quality also. So yeah, I think you're getting a decent camera setting on the camera setup, sorry, on the M4 Pro. Decent. Now I want to test these speakers. Stereo speakers, the bottom and they're at the top as well. I can tell you the bottom one is the more powerful of the two. So it's not directly sort of stereo in a sense. So when you sort of sit in front of it like that, you can sense more sound coming from the right hand side here than that side. So it's not evenly distributed. But from what I can hear, I think the sound quality is actually pretty decent. I'm quite surprised. Yeah, I quite like that. Yeah, it's nice. So this is a closer look at the display. At the moment we're not pinch zoom, but we can do that now. Oh, there we go. Zoom to fill. Playback seems smooth, no sort of jitteriness. This is 1080p 60 playing back, although it is a 4K HDR 60 frames per second video. This plays it back at 1080p 60. A decent display. So guys, that's the M4 Pro, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810 with dual 5G support as well. And I think, or well, I know from when I've been using it, it's feeling nippy. Very impressed with that. Doesn't feel sluggish or anything. Things have been quite responsive. OS seems fine. Cameras are pretty decent as well. Yeah, I'm quite impressed actually. It's not a huge flagship device. It's a budget POCO phone and they seem to have done a decent job. So any questions about this, guys, pop them in the comments down below. I'll answer the questions as best as I can. If you enjoy content like this, do hit that subscribe button, smash the like button as well, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.